The 2025 Genesis G90 is making waves in the luxury sedan world, and for good reason. From the moment you see it, the exterior design commands attention. The sleek lines, bold crest grille, and the signature two-line LED headlamps give it a presence that's both futuristic and elegant. Genesis has taken a minimalist but commanding approach. There's a real sense of sophistication in the way the surfaces flow. The long wheelbase version stretches the silhouette even further, exuding limousine-level refinement. Under the hood, performance hasn't been overlooked. The G90 offers a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine that produces 375 horsepower, or you can opt for the E-supercharged version that boosts output to 409 horsepower thanks to a 48-volt mild hybrid system and an electric supercharger. Power delivery is smooth and confident, with the 8-speed automatic transmission shifting seamlessly. The standard all-wheel drive system enhances grip, especially in wet or snowy conditions, and the air suspension system adapts to road conditions in real time, making the ride feel like you're floating, yet it stays composed and confident in corners. Inside, the 2025 G90 is where Genesis really flexes its luxury credentials. Every surface is meticulously crafted, with Nappa leather, real wood, and aluminum accents creating an ultra-premium feel. The ambient lighting is customizable and subtle, contributing to a serene cabin experience. The front seats are heated, ventilated, and massaging, while the rear seats offer a first-class experience with recline, massage, and even footrests in the long wheelbase model. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and an equally large infotainment screen dominate the dash, offering crisp visuals and intuitive controls. The Bang & Olufsen sound system wraps you in concert-quality audio, and noise insulation is top-tier. This cabin is whisper-quiet, even at highway speeds. Pricing for the 2025 Genesis G90 starts around $89,000 for the standard model, while the long wheelbase E-supercharged variant climbs to around $100,000. While that might seem steep, it undercuts many German rivals and offers more standard features. When you consider the quality, technology, and sheer comfort on offer, the G90 becomes one of the most compelling luxury sedans on the market. It's not just a great Genesis, it's a great car, period. If you're looking for understated luxury that doesn't compromise on performance or comfort, the G90 is well worth a serious look. Please like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more videos.